Now I know you guys only use Lexus genuine parts, so let's put on some fresh wipers.
When visibility matters most, your wipers are the first line of defense. Lexus genuine blades are made with Fukoku rubber, which is specifically engineered for maximum durability, streak-free wiping, and all-weather performance, delivering that silky smooth experience you've come to expect. Now remember, over time, blades wear down, crack, or skip. That's why regular checks and replacement of all your wipers front and back are key for safety. Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your vehicle needs.
All clear now, and that's exactly how I like it, on the track and on the road.